नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे चैनल गुरुजी मंत्रा में। दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम लोग क्लास 10th हिस्ट्री का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चैप्टर नेशनलिज्म इन इंडिया के कुछ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट लॉन्ग टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर देखेंगे जो कि बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Question number 1. Mention three main proposal with reference to non-cooperation movement as suggested by महात्मा गांधी। ये क्वेश्चन भी हमारा इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है और इसका आंसर है द नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट हैड टू एस्पेक्ट्स ऑन रिलेटिंग टू द स्ट्रगल एंड अदर रिलेटिंग टू नॉर्म्स ऑफ कंडक्ट एंड कंस्ट्रक्टिव वर्क। गांधी जी proposed that the movement should unfold in following stages. And first one, surrender of titles, honors and honorary post. And second one, boycott of legislative council. And third one, boycott of law courts by the lawyers. And fourth one is boycott of British goods. Now move to the next question, and that is question number 2. The plantation worker in Assam had their own understanding of Mahatma Gandhi and notion of Swaraj. Support the statement with arguments. And the answer is, first, for the plantation worker in Assam, freedom meant the right to move freely in and out of the confined space in which they were enclosed. And it meant retaining a link with the village from which they had come. And second one, when the plantation worker heard of the non-cooperation movement, thousands of them defied the authorities, left the plantation and headed toward their homes. And third one, the plantation worker believed that the Gandhi Raj was coming and everyone would be given the land in their own village. अब अगला क्वेश्चन जो है हमारा वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। तो क्वेश्चन क्या है? Why salt was chosen as a weapon by Gandhi ji to fight against the Britishers? तो ये हमारा एक रीजन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है और सीबीएसई इसको कई बार पूछ चुका है, तो इसलिए आप इसका आंसर ध्यान से देख लीजिए। तो पहला पॉइंट है, सॉल्ट वाज समथिंग कंज्यूम बाय द रिच एंड पुअर अलाइक एंड इट वाज द वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एसेंशियल फूड आइटम। एंड सेकंड वन, सॉल्ट वाज चूजन टू गिव द मूवमेंट ए वाइड बेस। एंड थर्ड वन, द टैक्स ऑन सॉल्ट एंड द गवर्नमेंट मोनोपोली ओवर द इट्स प्रोडक्शन revealed the most oppressive phase of British rule. अब बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 की तरफ। What was the impact of First World War on India? तो ये हमारा भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है सीबीएसई बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम के लिए। तो इसका आंसर है, The war created a new economic and political situation in India. और वो पॉलिटिकल और इकोनॉमिकल सिचुएशन क्या थे? पहला था, it led to a huge increase in defense expenditure which was financed by the war loans and increasing tax. Custom duties were raised and income tax introduced. And second one, through the war years, prices increased, doubling between 1913 and 1918, leading to extreme hardship for common people. And third one, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा impact था, वो था villagers were called upon to supply soldiers and forced recruitment in rural areas caused widespread anger. बढ़ते अपने लास्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ, and that is question number 5. List all the different social groups which joined the non-cooperation movement of 1921. Then choose any three and write about their hopes and struggle to show why they joined the movement. And the answer is, the different social groups that joined the non-cooperation movement of 1921 were the urban middle class comprising lawyer, teacher and headmaster, students, peasant, tribals and workers. Peasant, tribal and workers joined the movement with the hope of self-emancipation. Peasant hoped that they would be saved from the oppressive landlords, high taxes taken by the colonial government. Plantation worker, on the other hand, desired freedom to move about and get land in their own villages. The middle class joined the movement because the boycott of foreign goods would make the sale of their textile and heirlooms go up. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, share to your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel Guruji Mantra. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon.